Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to start exercise 4b. Now we are going to do question number 3. Derive the positive square root of the following numbers. Here you have to find the positive square root of a number by division method. Positive square root by division method. Its first part is 3969. I am taking 3-digit number, 1 2 3 4 5-digit number, and 1 1 2 3 4 5 6-digit number. The first is 4-digit. 4-digit number is 3969, and the 4-digit number is 4-digit number. The second number is 5-digit number. I am going to give you solving a question of 6-digit number, that is 210681. Okay, first step of solving these question is making the pairs from the unit side. Okay, here there are 4-digit. I am making a pair of 1 and 2 pairs. The pair always contain 2 digits. Okay, from the unit यहाँ से start होता है. Unit से 2 digit आप लें, 1 pair, then second pair. In the case of 5 digits, starting from making pair from the unit side, 1 pair contain 2 digits, other pair contain 2 digits, and the last 1 digit remain without lone pair. We can pair it like 1 digit. Okay, if we have 5 digit. In case of 6 digit, the first pair, second pair, and third, we have 3 pairs. Now in long division method, the first step is write the number in dividend form as a dividend. Now you have to choose a divisor by yourself. Here the first pair digit is 39, so you have to choose the number divisor as a divisor which was a perfect square, like 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, similarly 5 5s are 25, and 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49. If you see that 39 is not a perfect square of any value, so I am taking 6 6 are 36, because 7 7s are 49, which is greater than 39. So 6, I am putting the perfect square digit here and here also, here as a divisor. Write that number of perfect square 6 6 36 as a divisor as well as quotient. Write the answer here, 36. Whatever the number is written in the quotient, you have to add that into divisor to move to the next step. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now you have 12. Move the next pair of first subtract 39 by 36, you get 3, and moving the next pair of here. Now you have to put a digit here. Whatever the number you will multiply with 12, you have to write it here as. Okay, here you will see the last digit is 9. 3 3s are 9, so I am taking 12 3 here. I am taking 3 here. I am multiplying 3 by 8. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So 3 times is 396. I am putting 3 here and here also. Okay, by subtracting you have solved the question till the remainder will become 0. Now the remainder will become 0. So 63 is the perfect square of 3969. If you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, check method is just multiply the quotient, whatever the answer will come, with that value again. If the answer is the question value, then you have solved the question right, otherwise you have make any mistake while solving the question. So it's part number 1. Now I'm going to solve its part number 2. In its part number 2, we have a number 11,025. 2 2s are, as we know, 2 2s are 4 and 1 1s are 1. So I am taking 1 here, here, here. As a quotient, as a divisor, I am taking 1. 1 1s are 1. Add the quotient in the divisor and subtract these two numbers, you will get 0. And by adding these two numbers, you will get 2. Move the next pair. As you see, now you have to multiply 2 with any digit. Put that digit here and here also. If you see, if I multiply 20 zeros are 0 0, and 21s are 21. As 21 is greater than 10, so 20 zeros are 0 0. Okay, subtract it, you will get 10. Moving the next pair below, I will get this. Add that number into the answer, you will get 20. Now 20 how many times? 105. As you see, the last digit is 5. So if I multiply 20 5s, 5 5s are 25, 2 5 zeros are 0 plus 2. Okay, 5 2s are 10. So 5 5s. I am putting 5 here and here also. 1025. Subtract it, the remainder is 0 as it will solve fully. So this is the answer, 105. If you want to check whether your question is right and wrong, just multiply 105 by 105. You will get the question value 11,025. Now I am moving to solve its next part. It is part number 7 of this question. In this question, the first value is 21. 21, as you see that 5 5s are 25, which was greater than 21. 4 4s are 16, so 4 4s are 16. Now the next step is whatever the quotient, add the quotient in the divisor. Okay, you will get 4 4 plus 8. Subtract these two numbers. 21 minus 16, you will get by subtracting 21 from 16, you will get 5. Move the next pair below, 106. Now how if you see that 8 how many times, as 8, if I multiply a number here, I have to put that divisor here also. Okay, I am multiplying 8 by 85. This is the rough work. 85 fives are 5 fives are 25, 5 eights are 40, 41, 42, 42. If I multiply 8 6, the value will become greater than 506, so 8 fives are 425. Add the quotient into that divisor, you will get 90. Subtract these two values. 1, I am taking carry, 10 8. I am moving the next pair below. Now as you see that last two digit is 81. So if I multiply 909 with 9, 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 9, 9 zeros are 0, 8 will come as it is, 9 nines are 81. So 9 nines are 8181. Subtract the two digits, you will get 00. This is the method how you solve a 6-digit number, how you solve a 5-digit number, how you will solve a 4-digit number to find the perfect square by division method. Okay class, hope you understand how to solve this question. If you still find any problem, you can ask me.